Hello everyone. Today we're going to work on how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction number and a mixed number to an improper fraction number. So a mixed number is a number made up of a whole number and a fraction. So it's like if we have three pizzas and someone ate a half of a pizza, then we'd have 2.5 pizzas left. That would be a mixed number. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is larger than the denominator. So if you can see in this box, the proper fraction is just the regular fraction itself. A mixed fraction, you have this whole number with it, along with the fraction, and an improper fraction is when the numerator or the top number is bigger than the bottom number or the denominator. And we're going to learn how to switch from improper to mixed fraction to proper fraction and all of the above. So how to change a mixed number to an improper fraction. So remember, a mixed number is with that whole number here. So our example is 2 3/4. So please take notes. It would help you. You can use those on the test or quizzes if you'd like. Number one, the first step, multiply the denominator to the whole number. So you take this, the denominator, 4, times the whole number is 2. Okay? Second step, add the numerator, which is the top number. So we get 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So now our improper fraction is 11/4. Put that new number over the original denominator like we did, 11/4, and that's our answer. Next, you are going to try. First, I will show you how to do letter A. And this is how I do it. It makes it a lot easier. So just like in the example, I draw an arrow. So this first step is multiplied. Excuse me. Second step is adding. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. And then you just bring the denominator over for the bottom. Our answer is 11/4. Next, you will try letter B. 6 4/5 into an improper fraction is C. 1 1/2 into an improper fraction is D. 4 6/7 into an improper fraction is. All right, now going the opposite way. Now we're going to change an improper fraction into a mixed number. So the first thing that we have to do is divide the denominator into the numerator. Okay, so we have to take the denominator and divide by the top number. So 5 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, so that's our whole number. So that's where we get 1. Okay, next, the remainder will become the numerator. Okay, so 1, we have 1 left here. Okay, we still have 2 left over. That becomes, because 5 minus 3 is 2, so that becomes the numerator, and then this same denominator comes to the bottom. Okay, the original denominator will stay the same as the denominator in the new mixed number. Okay, so now I will do this first one. So A is 12/5. So what we want to do is we want to go 12 divided by 5. Okay, the most we can get out of that is 2. So that becomes our whole number, 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay, so we took 10 out of the 12. So now we take 12 minus 10, which is also 2, and that becomes our numerator. Then we take our denominator, and that stays the same. So our answer is 2 2/5. Next, you will try letter B, which is 25/8. And that will become a mixed number of, C is 9/2, and that will become a mixed number of, and finally D, 31/10, and that will become a mixed number of, and that is it. If you have questions or if you feel like you need extra practice, don't hesitate to hop on my WebEx and I will help you through all of these problems. I will even give you more learning if you're not understanding how to do this. It can be tricky if you don't follow the right procedures, but if, like I said, if you use your notes, it should be able to walk you right through. Don't hesitate to ask, to reach out if you do have any questions.